Kung nahihirapan kang gawing lead sa mga website visitors, today's video is going to change the game for you. Ituturo ko sa iyo ng step-by-step kung paano gumawa ng lead generation funnel gamit ang Leadpages, which is a tool designed to make capturing leads simple and effective. Lead generation is the foundation of your growing e-commerce business, whether you're selling products, services, or running campaigns. By the end of this video, malalaman mo kung paano mag-setup ng funnel at magko-convert ng mga visitors into subscribers and eventually maging customers. So tara, simulan na natin. Why do you need a lead generation funnel? Think of your lead generation funnel like the entryway to your business. People will walk into the store and don't find anything to guide them. Malamang hindi sila bibili. Ang funnel ay parang isang friendly na guide na magsasabi sa kanila kung ano ang susunod na hakbang. Tulad ng pag-sign up para sa mga freebie, pagsali sa email list, or purchasing your product. A well-built funnel captures your visitors' attention, ini-earn ang trust nila, and keeps them engaged with your business. Ito ay isa sa pinaka-effective na paraan to grow your audience and turn cold visitors into loyal customers. What is lead generation funnel? Ang lead generation funnel ay isang system na design para mangalap ng contact information ng iyong audience, tulad ng kanilang email addresses in exchange for something valuable. This could be a discount, a free guide, a webinar, or any other incentive. Ganito ito gumagana. Magsimula tayo sa landing page. This is where your visitors land and learn about your offer. It includes an attention-grabbing headline, compelling copy, and a clear call to action. Kasunod nito ang iyong opt-in form. Visitors enter their information into a form to receive your offer. Katapos niyan, they will see a thank you page. After signing up, they're taken to a thank you page that delivers the promised offer or directs them to take another step, like visiting your store or downloading a freebie. This simple structure is a backbone of turning website traffic into qualified leads. Bago tayo magsimula sa step-by-step na process, tignan muna natin bakit ang Leadpages ay isa sa mahusay na tool para sa paggawa ng lead generation funnels. Una sa lahat, ang drag and drop builder. Pinapadali ng Leadpages ang paggawa ng mga professional-looking landing pages gamit ang intuitive drag and drop builder nito. Hindi mo kailangan ng coding o design skills para makagawa ng page na mukhang professional. High converting templates. Sa Leadpages, makakakuha ka ng access sa maraming templates, especially designed para sa lead generation. Kung nagpa-promote ka ng webinar, nag-aalok ng free guide, o nagla-launch ng product, there's a template for everything. Built-in opt-in forms. Ang Leadpages ay may customizable na opt-in forms na madaling isama sa iyong landing pages. You can collect email addresses, names, or any other information you need without needing extra tools. Real-time analytics. Nagbibigay ang Leadpages ng analytics para makita mo kung paano gumagana ang iyong funnel. You can track metrics like conversion rates and optimize your funnel based on that data. Integration with email marketing tools. Tinutulungan din ito mag-integrate sa mga kilalang email marketing platforms tulad ng Mailchimp, ActiveCampaign, and ConvertKit, so your leads are automatically added to your email list for follow-up. Ngayon, ang fun part, pumunta tayo at mag-build ng funnel. Ang kailangan mong gawin ay i-click ang exclusive link sa description dyan sa baba. Pagkatapos mong i-click ang link, dadalhin ka sa page na to. Dito kailangan mong mag-login o mag-sign up ng free. What you wanna do is either login or sign up for free. Pagkatapos mong mag-sign in, makikita mo na meron silang very intuitive na dashboard. Dito sa dashboard, makikita mong yung performance, recent updates, and lastly, it's collected. Next is landing pages na pag-uusapan natin in a bit. Nandyan din ang lahat ng yung sites, blog, conversion tools tulad ng pop-up and alert bars, pati na rin ang leads, yung brand, and other settings. You can add custom colors and fonts that match your brand and upload images as well. Here, you can see all of your images and there's an image generator or the option to upload your own. Meron din mga scripts na pwede mong idagdag at dito mo makikita lahat ng integrations. As mentioned, they support Mailchimp, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, and you can also use integrations through Zapier, a powerful tool that allows even more integrations. Dito rin makikita ang yung domain where you can connect an existing domain or purchase a new one. Support is also available with options for chat support or opening tickets. Ngayon, magbuo na tayo ng landing page. Pumunta sa landing page section at i-click ang Create a Page. You'll see a ton of different options here. Find the one that best fits your needs. We'll go ahead and select this one. You can either preview it or start building right away. Para magsimula, kailangan mong pangalanan ng iyong page. Halimbawa, pangalanan natin ito ng freebie. This particular landing page is designed to collect emails in exchange for a free planner. But you can customize it however you like. Importante talaga na mag-collecta tayo ng email. So make sure to have the email capture form. You'll see a pop-up that asks for their email addresses. Pero kung gusto mong magdagdag ng form direkta sa page, pwede mong i-drag yung form element papunta sa page. Para i-customize ang form, go to the field section. You can add first name and then move it around to fit where you want. Now you have first name and email address fields. Sunod, kailangan mong magdagdag ng action. Ito yung gagawin nila pagkatapos nilang isubmit yung form. Pwede mong ipadala sila sa isang thank you page na may generic option o i-link sila sa ibang landing page, external URL, o hayaan silang manatili sa parehong page. Once you're done, click save and close, and now you can customize everything. Kaya ito na ang layout. Kung gusto mong ilipat ang mga to sa ibang ayos, pwede mong kunin to at i-drag. Probably wouldn't want to move the footer up. Just so you know, you can move that around. If you want to have that features first, you can also. Nakikita mo na ito ay shifted, but let's go ahead and leave that. Tapos sa section, kung gusto mong magdagdag ng ibang section, marami silang options. Halimbawa, gusto mong magdagdag ng countdown. So, ilagay natin siya dito. Madali lang i-drag and drop. We can again make sure we edit this to match the colors that we have. So, maybe we want to use the recent color, so we can use this. Sige, sabihin na lang natin na gusto natin palitan yung kulay na to. Ayos lang. Baka gusto natin maging puti ito, kung ano man. Ang dali lang ayusin lahat ng to. Ito, pwede mo ring i-adjust na buo yung style. So, if you want to switch the fonts, the background, the image, you can change the text size. You can change the buttons. Pwede kang mag-upload ng image. There's so much in there. This is so easily customizable, which is amazing. Kaya make sure mo that it fits your brands, your needs. And then over here, we have the widgets. Dito mo ilalagay yung widget. Merong text, image, text sa loob ng image. Pwede kang maglagay ng video, form, gaya ng napag-usapan natin. Button, space lang, icon, line, o kaya HTML. Talagang sobrang customizable. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin ay i-edit, tapos i-click lang yung publish. Kung gusto mo tignan yung preview, pwede mo rin gawin yon. Tapos pwede mo rin check kung gusto mo makita kung paano siya titignan sa phone, tablet, o kaya sa regular na desktop, which is cool. Pero siguraduhin mong perfect yung itsura niya sa kahit anong device. Kaya ulitin ko, ang kailangan mo lang gawin para matapos ay click ang publish. Isa pang sobrang cool na tool na gusto ko sanang ipakita sa inyo, yung writing assistant nila. And so what you can do is describe your idea and summarize the points and topics you'd like to cover, and then it'll automatically write something for you, which is super cool. Go ahead and fill everything out and click get copy. And then here you can see they will populate a bunch of different results that you can insert into your landing page. So super simple. Meron din silang ilang pricing options, kaya makikita mo may standard plan sila na $49 kada buwan. Pero kung nagbabayad ka yearly, makakatipid ka ng $144. Makakakuha ka ng 5 landing pages, unlimited na traffic at leads, isang custom domain, mahigit na 200 optimized templates, mga best-in-class conversion tools, at standard integrations. Next ay yung Pro Plan, at ito ay $99 per month. Kung gusto mo magbayad yearly, you can save $300 with this. You get unlimited landing pages, unlimited traffic and leads, 3 custom domains, over 200 optimized templates, best-in-class conversion tools, standard integration, sell products and services, and blog access as well. At last but not the least is the conversion plan. This is $697 per month. Sa plan na to, makakakuha ka ng full marketing funnel audit, isang conversion optimized landing page na gagawin para sa'yo, isang paid media campaign, isang dedicated conversion expert pro account, unlimited landing pages, unlimited traffic and leads, at advanced integrations. Kailangan mong makipag-ugnayan sa sales team para mag-sign up sa plan na to, but it's always there for you. So if you want to get started for the best price possible, make sure to use our exclusive link in the description below. Why do lead generation funnels work? They work because they simplify the process for your audience. Instead na ino-overwhelm mo sila with too many choices, you're guiding them towards a clear next step. By offering something valuable in exchange for their contact information, nagbibuild ka ng trust at nagsisimula ng relasyon na pwedeng mag-lead sa isang sale. Ang paggawa ng lead generation funnel gamit ang Leadpages ay malaking tulong para sa paglago ng e-commerce business mo. Sa pamagitan ng simple drag and drop at mga high converting templates nito, it allows you to set up funnels quickly and efficiently, helping you turn visitors into customers with ease. If you're ready to take the lead generation strategy to the next level, tignan mo lang ang link sa description to get started. Ang channel na to ay para bigyan ka ng mga tools at strategies para paluguin ang e-commerce business mo. So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa susunod na video.